What's going on, family? It is August 9th, 2026, and this is a weekly forecast for the trade ideas coming into this week, seeing what the market is likely to do come tomorrow, Monday morning. This is Nasdaq 100 here on the daily time frame. I'm just looking here. We made these highs here, been trading down, broke below this low, found this demand here on the daily time frame and reacted off of it, and have been pushing up since then. All right, just marking that here. We have been pushing up since then. We broke above this little swing here and we are still trading up. We have EMAs crossing on the daily time frame. Looking here on the 4-hour, it seems like Friday we ended off overall bullish, and the market just opened up here, creating this little gap here. So looking right now, expecting to see some buying opportunities on Nasdaq this week. We didn't have any gap over the weekend, which we usually do, but so far it seems like we have been pushing up, making higher highs and higher lows. These higher highs here and these higher lows broke above that level on the 15-minute, 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, I'm expecting some buys on NAS. We have to wait and see because we do have this gap here from Friday that still needs to be filled in. But that's my thought process right now for NAS this week. Looking at gold here, we made this high around 5,600 and been pushing down since then. Found some support around the 4,000 level. Seems like price doesn't want to break below 4,000, and then we started pushing back up, breaking above these highs here on the daily time frame. 4-hour is looking bullish as well. We crossed above here, Honestly, we could expect some buys happening on gold as well this week. Right now we're trading into a demand after opening up into this session. So depending on what London does, whether it buys in London, we might see some short sells in New York, or if it does end up selling during London, we might have that opportunity to catch some buys trading down here in this range. So let me go ahead and drop this into the chat. This is our predictions for the week. 8, 10 potential buys on NAS as well, potential buys on gold, potential sells. So let's see, potential buys, gold buys after selling. Okay, alrighty then. Well, that's pretty much our trade idea and what we're expecting this week. Hopefully it plays out like what we're thinking, and if it does, then great. If it doesn't, then we'll make sure that we risk properly and protect our capital. With that being said, until the next one,